BTCM stock analysis and BTCM stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in the space who's done this over 43,000 videos over 5 years. And look, I'm not even exaggerating. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. But like ultimately just the fact that 1,200 people have gotten enrolled in this Discord. I'm still, I mean, it's just kind of a flex. But I'm just saying, like, after this crazy up a pump, I'm just definitely looking to juice it up. So I'm just gonna try and squeeze the most juice that I can out of this pump, but that does not mean I'm just randomly buying here. This is far away from that. I mainly am talking about the price pulling down a bit and then me doubling down with a sort of a confirmation bias, right? And if that doesn't happen, then I'm not buying. I'm just straight up. So that's how BTCM is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. And if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already got enrolled.